thinking about closing your KOHO account for good. This video will guide you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth and secure account closure. First, make sure your KOHO account balance is at zero. Transfer any remaining funds to another bank account. You can do this by tapping the transfer icon, then selecting external account. Follow the prompts to link your external account and transfer your funds out. Next, check your transactions to ensure there aren't any pending transactions. If you find any, wait for them to clear before proceeding. Pending transactions can complicate the account closure process. Now, it's time to contact KOHO support to request account closure from the app's home screen. Navigate to the help or chat section. This is usually found in the profile or settings area. Then, start a new chat and let them know you want to permanently close your account. A KOHO representative will guide you through the final steps and confirm your identity to protect your account information. They may ask some security questions, so be prepared to answer them. Once the process is complete, you should receive a confirmation email confirming your account closure and the removal of your data from their system. Keep this email for your records. That's it. Your KOHO account is now officially closed.